Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Ingrid here from Ingrid Joy Aromas. Today I'm going to be showing you a cup of project. First I have to bring down my coffee. My tea, actually, not coffee. I'm not drinking coffee today. And I'm going to be showing you today how to make a nail care oil. And I use my nail care oil, but guess what? I've been using so much different oils that it just stripped my nails. But actually what we're going to be using today in this oil is we're going to be using lavender, we're going to be using myrrh, we're going to be using lime, and we're going to be using rose. So these are the oils that I'm going to be using today. But today I want to show you guys, before we get to this, I want to show you some different oils that I got today, and I was so happy to get them. So we got this frankincense here, this is the organic one, and it's 100% pure natural frankincense. And this is what I use. When you're using any oil whatsoever, try to get the organic one. So I just want to show you this one. And I forgot what this one is. Doesn't say the name here, but I know you can see again it says 100% pure on it. Oh, and this is a chamomile. I hope you can see. So again, they're 100% pure natural oil. And I know I did pull this one today, and you can see they sent me one of this, and I like getting these because I like using them. They're really nice to use. And this is the myrrh, which I'm using myrrh today. So yeah, so I got the frankincense, and I got myrrh. So if you never catch the recipe, I will be throw it up on the screen for you. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be tapping this bottle off with the sweet almond oil. I don't know why I'm making so much mess today, guys. I'm making a whole mess, big mess today. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to push this in. You can see it's in, and that's how I like my bottles. So when I'm going to be using bottles, I try to take out the roller ball from it, and then it's give me this, and all I need to do is just cap it. First, before I give it a shake, I am going to cover my bottle here so I got no more spillage, and then I will just give it a good shake. And this oil is ready to use in a couple days. I like to say that I like not to use my oils right away. I like to just let them sit, get to know each other, and then use it in a week or a couple days. So all you need to do is just rub it on your wrist right here, and then go ahead and get some. I have some oils in my hand already. It's so oily. And then rub them in like that. Just give them a good rub. And this the best time to do this. It's when you're going through the door, or when you're going to bed. I mean, like if you're going to be driving though, I suggest not using it because it's oily. But if you're going to the door and you're going to do other stuff, why not? Because you're not going to be using your hands, washing your hands. What you're trying to do is not to wash them. You need the oils to work in these nails. And so I'm going to be throwing up the recipe for you guys. Thanks for watching.